Hey Glow Gang, would you like to achieve this look? Well, stay tuned. Here I'm taking my NYX pencil and my spoolie from e.l.f. and I'm just going to go ahead and start taming my brows and filling them in. Ladies, don't worry about getting them brows perfect. That's what the concealer's job is for. Here I'm using my LA Pro concealer in Fawn, and now I'm just going to shape up those brows. Party break! Does anyone else do this while they put on their makeup? Well, anyways, I also take the concealer and put it all over my lid for a base. Here we go again with the party break. Now to the other side. Now I'm using my BH Cosmetics Smoky Eye Palette. I'm using this color right here, this purple shade. I'm going to take my Morphe brush, and I'll list that below, and I'm just going to apply that color all over my lid. Now I'm taking a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out that color. Taking this pink shade, and I'm now going to work that in there as well. Now I'm going to take this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Doll Parts, and I'm going to put that all on my lid. Now I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that color in. Blend, blend, blend that color in. Now I'm taking this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer Palette, and I'm taking it in the color Star Power. And I'm just going to pat that all over my lids. Make sure that you guys pat that in and not brush it in, so the color can be more intense. Now I'm going to take my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Kitten Karma. I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to dab that onto my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to just dab it onto my lids. Taking my Milani Prime Shield and putting that all over my face as my primer. Taking my Makiage foundation in 215, and this is their foundation called Woke Up Like This. pumping a couple of squirts on my hand so that the foundation warms up, and then putting it on my face is the way I go. Now I'm just taking my Tarte brush and I'm just going to beat that face. Taking my Tarte Shape-tape in the color Tan Sand to now go ahead and do my highlighting. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in medium, I'm going to take these colors Chocolate and Ash Brown to scope out my contour. Taking my Real Technique sponge that I got for Christmas, and I'm just going to blend in that highlight. Also, make sure that you're using a damp sponge and not dry. It helps to settle in your highlight. Taking my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm just going to blend in the bottom half of my contour. Now I'm just taking another blending brush for my nose contour to blend that out. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Taking my Violet Voss lashes in Sexy and I Know It, I'm going to go ahead and put these on. And for glue, I'm using Lash Grip. Using my e.l.f. Turks and Caicos palette for my blush. I'm using my Aurora palette from Anastasia and Eclipse. Taking Eclipse down the bridge of my nose, I'm going to highlight my brow, and I'm also going to highlight the inner tear ducts. Taking my Shay Moisture Gloss in the color Promise for my lips. Now it's time to powder using 03 Translucent Banana Powder with Milani. And just take my fan brush and fan that out. Using my Hard Candy Matte Spray to set my face. Now we're all done. How do you guys like this look? I love it. Because guess what? On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have fun and shine, glow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. Mwah.